batteries give you 45 minutes of cord-free POGO power, while the lightweight, low-profile design allows you to clean everywhere dirt goes.
Unlike similarly priced steam mops, POGO is safe and proven effective to work on tile, plus hardwood, and even carpet. And unlike superficial scrubbers that just skim across your wood or tile surface, leaving dirt and bacteria behind, POGO delivers an amazing 66 oscillations per second of high-speed harmonic vibration, activating 75 million dirt-grabbing microfibers to get deep into the cracks, lifting away and trapping the dirt within the fibers, so nothing is left behind.
Now you can clean every floor surface in an entirely new way. Unlike those expensive water injection cleaners that leave your carpet soaked for hours, POGO removes embedded dirt and stains safely, without abrasion and without buckets of water, saving you hours of drying time.
It's not clean unless it's POGO.
You've lived with compromise for way too long. The lack of control. Energy bills that keep rising. That's why you need to experience life with ecobee 3 Lite. It lights up as you approach. Kinda like he does. It delivers comfort, so you can just be. ecobee 3 Lite uses the outside temperature to always keep you comfortable at home.
Smart, isn't it?
And it can be controlled from virtually anywhere. It even adjusts your away setting when you're not home. And you're gonna love falling asleep and waking up in perfect comfort. It works with your day-to-day routines to deliver comfort when you're home and savings when you're away. Saving you an average of 23% annually on your heating and cooling costs, which means at just $169, it pays for itself in no time. ecobee 3 Lite, the smarter Wi-Fi thermostat that helps you live better and save more.
These guys. That's why we got Nucleus. Think of it like an intercom, but from the future. Call your family room to room. Hey guys, we have ice cream.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Check in while you're away.
Ice cream. For breakfast. No, guys, that's great. Yep.
Dance move and karate moves combined are awesome.
Oh, that's great.
It means everyone gets to connect without trusting your cell phone with your 6-year-old. Oh, and it lets you disconnect. Nucleus adapts to your family, and it's Alexa enabled, so you can play music, hear the news, check the weather, and more.
Clove lets me know what's happening in the kitchen, so I can help you. Clove gives me new sensors that are affordable, wireless, and simple to install.
Welcome to Clove. Hey, what's cooking?
I'd like to boil eggs.
Do you want it hard-boiled or soft-boiled?
I'd like them hard-boiled.
Based on your input, it will take 6 minutes to boil eggs. Shall I remind you after 6 minutes?
This is the Clove Intelligent Knob. It's a smart knob that helps you cook, boil, fry, and roast. On the cooktop or in the oven. From the moment you turn on the knob, Clove starts to pay attention, asks for a few details, and sets the ideal cooking time, or your preferred time. With its built-in sensor, it detects the knob's position, on or off, or simmer or high, so it can calibrate the cooking time. Clove works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home and sets your hands free for cooking. Just talk to Clove and cook like a pro. Let's take something you've cooked a million times, a pan-seared salmon, and let's see how our chef enjoys cooking it with Clove. How to cook pan-seared salmon.
Cool, let's get started. I have sent the ingredients to your phone. Please check and confirm if you have the ingredients.
Yes, I have.
Coat salmon with olive oil.
What's next?
Preheat a large heavy skillet over medium heat for 3 minutes. Place the salmon in skillet and increase heat to high and cook for 3 minutes.
What's next?
Sprinkle with capers and salt and pepper.
Done.
Turn salmon over and cook for 5 minutes or until browned.
What's next?
While the salmon is being cooked, you can slice lemon for garnishing. Transfer salmon to individual plates and garnish with lemon slices.
What's next?
Pan-seared salmon is ready. Hope you love it.
Bon appetit.
Wow! It's amazing.